Hello, this is Jasmin, and welcome back to my weekly tutorial. I'll be guiding you through a process of removing a green screen background using Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro 2025. Firstly, import your footage that has a green screen background and the background video you'll be using. Next, drag your green screen footage onto your timeline. This is the video we'll be working with. Navigate to Effects and Preset and locate Keying 1.2. Drag and drop this effect onto your green screen layer. Click the eyedropper tool and select any part of the green. Switch the view to screen matte, then adjust the clip black and clip white values to create a clean separation. Return the view to final result to see the keyed footage. Now, drag your desired background footage onto the timeline, placing it below your keyed layer. There we have it! Bonus for a window reflection. Import your reflection footage and place it above your keyed layer. Reduce the reflection layer's opacity to approximately 50%. Use the pen tool to create a window shape mask on the reflection layer. Use the vertex tool to refine the mask shape. Deactivate the mask visual overlay in the program panel. Finally, export your project using the H.264. Now let's move on to Premiere Pro. Begin by importing both your green screen footage and the background video you intend to use. Drag your green screen footage onto the timeline. Navigate to the Effects panel, scroll down to Keying, and drag and drop the Ultra Key effect onto your green screen footage. In the Effects Control panel, ensure output is set to Composite. Then, use the eyedropper tool to select a representative green area in your footage. Change the output to Alpha channel. This will show you the matte. Expand the matte generation parameters and increase the pedestal value to refine the separation between your subject and the background, eliminating any residual screen. Switch the output back to Composite to view the keyed footage with the background removed. Input your desired background image or video and drag it onto the timeline, placing it below your keyed green screen footage. If necessary, go to the Effects Control panel for the background layer and adjust the scale parameter to fit the composition. Finally, export your project using the H.264 format. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot.